we have some pretty exciting news to talk about. If you're friends or family and you watch this channel, you probably know what we're going to say. For everyone else, no, Maggie is not pregnant. We're sticking to the no kids, no pets, no plants policy because that works pretty well for us. No, this news is more about what's next for us and what's next for this channel, so therefore what's next for you guys, the viewers. Do you ever feel like you're just caught up in the inertia and momentum of your life, and you try to break up the routine by going on trips here and there throughout the year and having as much fun with friends and family on the weekends as possible, but nevertheless you're worried that one day you'll just wake up and be 85 years old and go, oh wow, that happened really fast. Well, what if you change the routine rather than just breaking it up with fun trips? What if you change the direction of the inertia and momentum of your life? What if you did something that most people only talk about? Well, Maggie and I sat down and we did talk about that, and this is how that conversation went. So it's what everyone says, right?
Says what?
That they wish they could quit their job and just travel the world.
So what are you suggesting?
I'm suggesting that we not just talk about it, but we actually do it.
And what? Put all of our stuff in storage?
No, we'll sell everything, literally everything. It'll be like a hard reset on our material possessions.
I can't just quit the Air Force.
No, you'll ask for the sabbatical program. You'll ask for 18 months off.
So where are we gonna go?
Well, I suggest we just move time zone by time zone. We'll start in South Africa and we'll work our way north. And when we get there, we'll just flip a coin if we go east or west.
And then we're just gonna get lost for 18 months. When will we see friends and family?
Well, we could put out a schedule to our close friends and families, and if they want to join us, they can join us, and if not, they can follow the whole thing on YouTube, on Facebook, on Instagram. We can even start a podcast.
Let's do it!
Good first take. Woo! We are professional actors. So that conversation actually took place a long time ago, but Maggie was notified very recently that she's been approved for the CIP, the Career Intermission Program. Basically, the Air Force is going to allow her to take 18 months off and come right back into active duty as soon as it's over. So what does this mean for you, the viewers? It means if you're a subscriber now, you get to watch from the very beginning. Starting January 1st, 2019, we're going to be world travelers, we're going to be homeless, we're not going to stay anywhere for more than a week or two, but we're going to see as much as we can, experience as much as we can, and we're going to share it all with you. On this channel, on YouTube, but also on Facebook, on Instagram, we might even start a podcast. But the goal of the channel, the goal of the brand is going to be the same. Bottom line up front literally is a military term that means give me the information I need to know up front, and then give me the details afterwards. So we're going to give you the bottom line up front on everything we do, to include selling everything we own and packing our life into 3 or 4 suitcases, to include planning how to see the entire world in 18 months, and to include how this whole experience is probably going to change us. So that's it. Just wanted to share this with you guys. For those of you that have been subscribers from the beginning, thanks for watching. Thanks for the support. We have a lot to think about. We have a lot of work to do. So stay tuned.